In today's video, I want to guide you on how to align text in Microsoft Office. Take a look at what's on the screen. The texts are not aligned. The first paragraph is aligned to the right. The second paragraph is aligned to the left, while the third paragraph is aligned to the center. This is not okay. It's rowdy. So here is how to align text on Microsoft. First thing is to highlight the entire text you want to align, like this one. Once you do that, then come over to this place where you see under home, then you see this option here where you see paragraph. Then here is what you use to align. If you over your mouse already, the first one is align to the left side. Let's click on it. You're going to see that it's going to align everything to this side. That's how to align text to the left side. Then if you click on, or if you move your mouse over this one, it says that you're going to align to the center, and this you can use Ctrl plus A to align to the center. You can see that is start. Then let's take a look at this one to align to the right. Then it's very simple, Ctrl plus R, or you click on this button to align to the right. Then this one, this is to justify the project. If you want to justify this project, it's very simple, Ctrl plus J. But let's align the project by this one, Ctrl plus L, which is aligned to the left side. You can click on this button here, or you can buy Ctrl plus L to align it. And if you take a look at it like this, it's not that okay. So for you to have the best of it is to do what? Is to justify, which is very simple. Just drag and Ctrl plus J, then you have a beautiful project like this. So that's all, guys, on how to align your text on Word document. If you enjoyed this tip, if not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.